Hey everyone, this is Jessica. Welcome to the Aiko Mae channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 different ways to import your digital stickers into Goodnotes 5. First up, we have the Goodnotes format sticker book. If you purchased a sticker set from me, it comes in this format as well as the individual pre-cropped PNG files. To import your sticker book into Goodnotes 5 from within the app, tap on the New icon, then select Import and choose the sticker book file from your downloads. The sticker books are organized and hyperlinked so that you can easily navigate to whatever you need. Keep the sticker book open side by side with your digital planner, and then just use your lasso tool to copy and paste from the sticker book into your planner. Just one thing to note, that you don't have to very carefully circle the stickers with the lasso tool. If you just make a little circle anywhere on that sticker, it will move the whole sticker over. Next, we can add stickers to elements. This is actually my favorite way of using stickers with my digital planner, and it's a great option if you have a handful of stickers that you love to use frequently. To do this, when you're in Goodnotes 5, tap on Elements in the toolbar. It's the little star icon. When you're in Elements, scroll along the bottom until you find the plus icon. Tap that to create a new Elements folder. Give it a name, and then open split screen mode. Navigate to the individual PNG stickers from your purchase. Then just drag and drop your favorite stickers into the folder while you're in split screen mode. Now you can access all of those stickers in the Elements folder really easily from within your planner. Place them wherever you want on the page and resize if necessary. Finally, we have drag and drop. This is a quick, easy way to add stickers from your Files app. Just open Goodnote 5 in split screen alongside your Files app, navigate to the stickers you want to use, and drag them right onto your notebook or digital planner page where you want to use it. Then same thing, you can resize and position the stickers as needed. And that's it. Those are the 3 different ways to import digital stickers into Goodnotes 5. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and you can subscribe here for more tutorials like this.